Got in here. Play. Come on now. They making me look good.
And if they're already operating, how to scale their existing cannabis business. So, I'm extremely excited that, you guys.
Let's go back. Run
Cannabis
it back. See.
legalization news, we got a great guest. The topic today is what's the best or most lucrative license for 2025? Can you introduce yourself? Yeah, I'm Nehemiah Mitchell. I have a
Neo
YouTube channel called
cannabis.
Neo Cannabis where I teach prospective and current cannabis entrepreneurs how to break into the industry, how to start, and if they're already operating, how to scale their existing cannabis business. So, I'm extremely excited that, you guys wanted to create some content together and, ready to get into it. Awesome. Well, the topic for today is what is the most lucrative license you can start in 2025? Well, we were talking, and it made me think you used to have this type of license. Correct. What is that? Yes, I'm originally from Hayward, California. Grew up there, and a little bit of background about me. I played football at the university or Vanderbilt University. Glad to have that experience, and then after that, transitioned into the cannabis industry. Me and my business partner at the time, we wanted a dispensary license, and this was when California just went legal in 2018. Like everybody else who wanted a storefront, we were eager. We were new to the industry. I was probably only 23, 24 at the time. But in Oakland, California, there was a lottery system. Of course, you guys know how lotteries work. Just play to pay. In certain situations, pay to play. You got to know somebody, and we're new people in the industry. But somebody mentioned to us about a delivery license where essentially you're a non-storefront retailer, and you could do the same thing as a regular dispensary. You buy from a distributor. You have your own customers. You sell your own product. You're in control of your entire business. You don't need anybody else. And we thought that was a great opportunity for ourselves. And like Thomas mentioned, it was extremely affordable as far as the startup costs. I'm glad to dive into that. Because we're talking about, like, Lee and I trying to get this dispensary open for less than $1 million. And so that's an expense that we would then have to make back before we'd be able to start, saying it's profitable. How much was the startup cost for the delivery license or the non-storefront retail license? Yeah. So startup costs at the time, this was in 2018, so I'm not too sure how, it differed at the time, but fortunately enough, we were able to be qualified as a social equity applicant. So my business partner at the time, he lived in an area where they classified that area as a, for like high cannabis. DI. Yeah, like high cannabis conviction rates. Disproportionately impacted areas. So, I don't know all the terms, but somehow he qualified, and if somebody hands you something where I'm from, you got to take it and run with it. We took that opportunity, and that allowed us to have like a lot of the application fees waived, and they gave us a little like consultations and things of that sort to get our license. Startup costs all that maybe 30, 40,000, and this is with the real estate, leasing a space, product. A lot of the application at the time will wait for us. So was it software, things of that sort? Space type store, and then you just deliver from there when people order online? Correct. So it wasn't really a warehouse space, it was more so like an office. So it was like maybe there's videos on my YouTube. Hopefully you could tag my YouTube down below, but there's a video on my YouTube where I did a walkthrough, and it was probably maybe 300 to 500 square feet. Like, it's a really small space, but really all you need is a car, laptop, a safe, the compliant things that you need from the state, security cameras, a safe. And after we had all those things, we had a POS system, our website, and then we hopped on